as JR Software is concerned, we offer three services. That is, we have got, as a product company, we have got India's first complete end-to-end retail management solution. And when we say India's first, by that we mean that we have got this end-to-end retail management solution on cloud. So we are India's first company as on today, and in fact as on today probably we are the only company who has got end-to-end retail management solution on cloud. So this is as far as our product goes. Then we are also into IT consulting services, wherein we offer various services like various other third-party tools implementations. Then we also conduct systems audit and various other such IT services. And then we are also into decision support system, which is a tool for middle management, which takes care of KRAs of middle management and helps them out in performing their tasks. So this is what by and large we as a software company offer. Then as far as our retail management solution goes, this comes in two variants. A variant which is on cloud, wherein we have hosted this application in Tier 4 data center in India. And then we have got backup services in North America. So this specific application we have hosted on Tier 4 data center, and we have got customers in India as on today all over across the country. That is, we have got customer in South, East, North and West. So as on today we have got almost 150 users working on this software. We have got almost 15 customers, 15 various diversified retail solutions customers. So by diversified I mean we have customer as apparel retailer, we have got customer as pharmacy chain, we have got customer as restaurant chain, we have got customer as institute, we have got customer who is into furniture, who is into antique clocks. So we have not restricted ourselves to only one specific business. In fact, we offer a retail solution to any retailer. And then when we say end-to-end, we have got software which takes care of front-end and operations, and then we have got back-end operations also into the software. So by front-end, I mean that we have got POS for gallery. Then we have got a CRM application, we have got a replenishment tool, we have got payroll attendance capturing tool. And then for backend, we have got entire ERP. Someone, a retailer who is into manufacturing, we have got an ERP for manufacturer. If he is only into retailing business, he does trading, we have got solution for retail trader. So this is what we have as a retailer. And then we also have warehouse tool, we have got supply chain tool. So we have got basically all backend tools like BI tool, CRM application, replenishment tool, planning and forecasting tool. So we've got end-to-end everything available in this in these offerings. Then coming to now, as far as technology of this solution goes, we have used Cocktail programming, whereby front-end application is developed by using .NET technologies, and then for saving and retrieving data in data center, we have used web services. So idea is very clear that for front-end we require an application which is very fast and which is user-friendly, and for back-end we require an application which is again fast and is Windows application. So by using this Cocktail programming, we get both the advantages, that is web as well as Windows. So this is the technology, and then since this software is available on cloud, so data center takes care of all the tensions of any IT guy. So you do not require any high-tech IT personnel to manage your data center. You do not require any, you don't need to invest any